This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
We're going to be opening up this box and also installing the security light, and this is solar powered, has a motion detector, and these are 3 different lights that are adjustable. This is 2000 lumens, which is pretty good. And it's LED, so you never have to change the bulbs. It's got a good range finder, and again, very adjustable. So let's open it up, take a look what we have inside. This is from Costco, and I believe the cost was about 30 bucks. But if you have a part of your home that you want to have a security light on, and maybe you just don't have power to 110, because this is solar, it's pretty cool. You'd be able to put this up, just have something to mount it on. And here we have the light assembly. So it's pretty cool, it's all self-contained. It's a motion detector, and you have different settings on the motion detector that a little bit hard to read, but the top one has the test mode and then different times. This is the distance, either off or different lumens, 2000 lumens or 1000, so brightness. And that's where you're going to plug in your connector for the solar panel. Pretty cool. So that'll go against the wall. These can come in and go side to side. And you also have the middle one has up and down, and this is up and down. These are all seem like a perfect tension for being able to move, and they just stay where they are. You don't have to really retighten them. It's pretty cool. And then we have the plate back here. So this is pretty slick. This just slides off. So you mount that with your 2 screws, and then you can just slide your thing into position and then mount your solar panel, plug it in, and you're done. Mounting screws, you can just go right into some wood. You could go into sheetrock and use these to give you a better grip. We're going to be just going into wood today. And then inside the box, got more packaging material. And then you've got your cool solar panel here. And we're going to be pointing this in a southern direction, so we get the most power into the NiCad batteries during the daytime. So pretty simple. You just mount that in with the screws, and then you can tilt this to capture the best angle of the sun. And they give you a lot of cords, so you could have this mounted pretty far away from where you have your security light and your motion detector. So let's go ahead and mount these in, and then we'll show how it all works. I want the security light to shine on the door, so I'm going to mount it up here on this wood panel and aim it down toward the door. So if it sees motion, it'll fire the light up down there. So to do that, I'm just going to put it about here, get it centered, and I'm just going to use these little Phillips head screws that come with it. If you do something like this, you don't want to mount it too high, because you have to remember that the unit has to go in and slide down into this thing. So I'm going to put it about right there. It should just take you a couple of minutes to get these things hooked up. Alright, we just want to get it somewhat level. Just going to eyeball it. You could always put a level up there though to get it really straight. Alright, put in our second screw. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just slide the unit down into that. So I got it set for the shortest time, and then for sensitivity I'm going to go for high, very sensitive, and for lumens I'm going to go for 2000. So that gives us an idea of the brightness. Pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put that down into position. That locks in, and then I just want to kind of aim this where I want the light to go. So spread that light out. It's good. I'll aim this in the direction of the door. That should do it. And then we're just going to run the power for the solar panel, and that's the southern direction, so put the solar panel up on top and aim it toward the south. Alright, we've got this mounted to get the southern exposure, and just put in a screw here, tilt it, put in a screw here, and one at the bottom, and we got that tilted up toward the sun, southern exposure. Give us a lot of cord. I'm going to run this all the way over to the light here, and this is just going to go in underneath. I'll kind of run it over the wood, make a turn and come over and connect. Okay, I've got the solar panel there, I got the wire running over, and I'm just going to push it in now into here until it clicks. Yeah, it's a nice connection. Alright, we'll get rid of this slack here, and we're done. So it's saying prior to using your solar motion light, the solar panel needs to be connected to the light for a period of 3 days. This initial charge should be done in the off position. So I'm going to turn it, instead of 2000, I'll turn it to off. After the 3rd day, then you can turn it on and use either the 2000 or the 1000. Okay. So it's on test mode now, and that's going to allow it to you can just see if you have the range right. So the goal is that when I walk up to this door, I got this light on, and it's good security light. And again, it's getting power from this solar panel aimed at the southern sky. So it just went off. So now when I walk in front, it should click on it. Yeah, so that's really good. Detector picked up when I got it even out here. It's really good. Let me go ahead and turn it off now, let it charge for 3 days so the battery really gets fired up. So that's the off right there.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.